friends, my name is Professor M. S. Rao. I have authored more than 50 books, including the award-winning title "See the Lightning for which the Nobel Laureate His Holiness the Hemorrhage forward." I am passionate about education and learning, and one of the book titled "Vision 2030: 1 million Global Leaders" that I have dedicated to former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Uh, uh, In this video, I talk about STEM education. STEM means for S means science, T for technology, E means engineering, and M means mathematics. So this is the future, and it's required. Let me share with you the difference between the engineering graduates, ma- uh, uh, management graduates. The engineering students are very creative and engaging, and they talk to the point. They're very precise. It's like a plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab. That's how it is. On the other hand, management education is different, where you have to emphasize lots of examples, illustrations, and it involves case activities and case studies. So there is a difference between management education and engineering education, because I taught for management and engineering graduates both. Uh, and I have diversified experience in my life, including military, entrepreneurship, teaching, training, and writing books. So, this STEM education is the thing which is very much required. We need to emphasize for all generations, especially for millennials and centennials, and we need to focus for kids so that they become creative, because what the kind of education we need, especially for India, is we need a practical education and creative education. So let me share with you my challenge. I was blessed to be alive after a brain stroke in the year 2021. I survived because of my positive psychology, because of the power of subconscious mind. And the message is very clear. Emphasize mindset, tool set, and skill set, and learn and unlearn, and above all, the future of STEM is now. And thank you for empathizing with me.